All right, Dirty Sports Cards here. We're doing another box here for Walter, man. Good luck. Topps Chrome 2016 Hobby. What is up, Grooves? All right. Good luck, man. We got Jake Odorizzi, Ross Stripling, Tom Murphy Gold. Gold refractor to Tom Murphy, 40 of 50. Carlos Correa. And Max Kepler for the Twins. This guy's going to be selling well right now. Max Kepler. Kyle Schwarber. Sonny Gray refractor. There's Robinson Cano. Odubel Herrera. Kyle Schwarber refractor. And David Ortiz. That is number 275. 11 of 75. And Darnell Sweeney refractor auto. Darnell Sweeney, that is numbered 169 of 499. Jung Ho. Robinson Cano. Chris Sale. Franco. Hanley Ramirez. That is Carlos Ruiz. Miguel Sano, Jock Peterson, David Ortiz, Joey Gallo. That's Adam Wainwright, X-Factor, Addison Russell, Brian Johnson, Nomar Mazera, Evelyn Jones. Buxton, Joe Mauer, and off the box there. Appreciate it, Walter.